Learn English with Titanic movie. Learn prepositions with Rose and Jack. Part 7 of 20. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Water poured blank the broken sections of the ship. A. Onto. B. Into. C. Between. Correct answer, into, for movement from outside to inside. Rose stepped blank the lifeboat carefully. A. Into. B. Onto. C. Beyond. Correct answer, onto, for movement to a surface. The distant lights of another ship were far away blank them. A. Onto. B. From. C. Between. Correct answer, from, to show distance. No one survived blank a lifeboat. A. Within. B. Without. C. Outside. Correct answer, without, to mean not having. They walked blank the deck railing. A. Without. B. Along. C. Inside. Correct answer, along, to show movement. Like, comment and subscribe.